The interesting thing was we weren't thinking about moving, but my husband got a diagnosis of Parkinson's, and so we knew that we couldn't continue to maintain our home, and the next thing we know, we're signing on the dotted line.
I think probably the layout being one floor, no steps, wide open spaces, wheelchair accessible.
You start placing your own furniture. Can everything fit in? Will it look nice? I saw that I could do that, and it was conducive to what we already had. It turned out beautiful.
Epcon, the experience has been wonderful, much better than I had ever expected. They made something that could be quite difficult as easy as possible. While they were very knowledgeable, not at all pushy, answered all our questions.
We were in Florida when they were building our house, so we didn't get to watch the process. But the building supervisor every Friday would call us, so we felt like we weren't really left out. We were really part of the decision-making and comments, and they were very thorough.
Right.
Couldn't have been nicer either.
It was very impressive. They were responsive to our needs and requests. It's not that it's without any problems at all. That'd be almost impossible to build a house without a snag here or a snag there, but they were really kept to a minimum and handled very well by the staff at Epcon, so I enjoyed that part.
First Friday of every month, they have a potluck dinner in the clubhouse. So we decided to go there and join them for that. And that way we got to meet them, sit down at the table, dine with them, and they were all very friendly and accepting of us, and that was very nice, and I thought that was good. They have a book club, and so they're a doing community.
It seems like we do a lot of entertaining.
Yeah, we do.
We'll always have somebody over to either play cards or just enjoy a piece of pie together and chit-chat about what's going on in the world, whatever.
We don't have to do anything. We don't have to mow the lawn. We don't have to trim bushes. Everything is done for us. They collect the garbage. There's very little for us to do except play and have fun and enjoy our retirement. When we walked into the house for the first time, it was absolutely beautiful. We were in awe of it, and we thought, yeah, this is going to be a good place for us.
It's easy to get around. It's easy to find one another when we're in the house. You don't have multiple steps to go up and down. It worked out real well.
It's very spacious downstairs, and that's what we really liked. It's big. The interior decorator that they had hired for our selections, I had asked her if she could come and help us hang our pictures all over the house. And she helped us do that, and when it got done, my husband turned to me and he said, "Linda, we're home."